Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Goldbelly unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This is coming from my good friends over at Joe and Pat's Pizzeria. And if you click the link down below, you'll get $15 off your order right now. So all I gotta do is click and then type in Joe and Pat's Pizzeria in the search menu. So we're going to take a look inside to see what you could get. So you want a piece of Staten Island's pie. All you gotta do, click the link right now and they'll ship it to you. And there you go. Definitely excited to try this kind. Been a long time since I've been out there. So here we go. This is what it looks like when you get it. There's the dry ice, so be careful handling it. All the pieces in here. Alright. Let's cut it. That was pretty. There we go, guys. That out of the way. Here we go. Joe and Pat's. Come on. Oh yes, here we go. Pizza, pizza. Oh shoot, dry ice fell. Hold on, let me pause you guys. Alrighty guys, here they are. This is the 4-pack you get. I forgot which one this was called with the green in it. Looks really interesting. I'm definitely excited to try this kind. And then this one. So they got different options to choose from. So once you click the link, check them out, and then you can choose your packages. So here's that. Here's the normal. Ooh. Here's this one. So we got the oven set at 500. It's almost done preheating. And you put it in for at least 5 minutes. And then you're good to go. But they'll have directions on the website once you order it. And then you can print it off. And then when it comes in, you can cook it your own. So once this is done, I'll do the taste. We'll be right back. Oh boy, YouTubers, that was pretty quick. They got instructions inside the box. Shows how to do it. And look at the outcome. Amazing stuff. I already ate a slice. Right there. It smells so good. Reminds me back in the day of going down there. Well, here it goes again. Oh, the crust is amazing. The sauce is really tasty. The cheese is perfect. So thank you guys at Joe and Pat. Definitely YouTubers, check them out. Get Staten Island pizza delivered to your doorstep right about now. Be safe. Have a good night. And see you guys soon.